Hello, welcome to the Joe Holbrook Memorial Math Competition. My name is Jonathan Pinion.
Hi, I'm Mike Libenson. I'm one of the coaches of the Bergen County Academy's math team. The math team has existed here for over 20 years. We have regular Saturday practices. We run competitions such as the AMCs and the Olympiads, and we also go away to competitions in such places as Harvard, MIT, and to Seoul, Korea.
Joe Holbrook was the original coach of the BCA math team from its founding in the early days of the Academy until his 2010 passing. This competition was renamed in his memory and serves as part of his legacy of sharing the love of mathematics. Joe continues to be an inspiration to all of us who study and who teach math here at BCA. At this time, it's my pleasure to introduce the student coordinators, Gregory Polipovich, Andy Jung, and Simon Sun.
Welcome to the Joe Holbrook Memorial Math Competition 2020. My name is Andy Jung.
My name is Simon Sun.
And my name is Gregory Polipovich.
And we are the student coordinators for today's exam.
We are glad that you're here with us today. Traditionally, the Joe Holbrook is held on-site at the Bergen County Academy. This year, we're excited to offer an online version of the competition that you will be able to take from the comforts of your home.
Before we begin, we would like to cover some of the changes with the exam format due to the contest being moved online this year.
After this video, your proctor will begin the process of setting up the exam. You will be invited to a breakout room by your proctor corresponding with your registration. There, your proctor will send out the exam in the form of an encrypted PDF. Your proctor will give out the password for the PDF when the exam begins. Please enter this password to unlock the exam.
You will be submitting your answers in a Google form. To ensure proper identification, please enter your name, your ID, your gender, your town and state, your proctor's name, and the breakout room number on the first page of the form. On the second page, you will be able to enter and submit your answers.
Remember, this form can be submitted multiple times, but your final version must be submitted before the end of the competition to receive credit. If the form is submitted late, your submission may not be scored. Remember, all answers will be integers.
If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your proctor. They are here to help you. Should any technical problems arise, do not despair. We will work with you to ensure that the issues are resolved and that you are treated fairly.
The Joe Holbrook exam is a difficult exam. Do not be discouraged if you cannot answer all the questions. Just participating in the JHMMC today is an achievement of its own.
With all of this said, we would like to pass it on to the examinators, who will go over some of the important rules for this year's JHMMC.
You have 75 minutes to solve 40 questions. Your score is the number of correct answers, so there's no penalty for guessing.
You must have your camera on and remain visible to your proctor at all times.
This is an individual test. Anybody caught communicating with another student or using technology in an inappropriate way will be removed from the exam.
If you have a question about a specific test problem or need to use the restroom, please send a private message to your proctor.
Proctors will respond to you via chat, so unless it is an absolute emergency, please keep yourself on mute.
You may not use any of the following aids: calculators or other computing devices, compasses or protractors, and rulers or other straight edges.
Only answers recorded on the appropriate Google form before your time is up will be considered and graded.
All answers should be integers. When entering your answers, please do not put any spaces between digits or the negative signs on the Google form.
Don't include commas in your answer. For example, the number 1000 should be entered as 1000 and not as 1,000.
Please do not include units in your answers.
However, your answers must be in the correct units as specified in the questions.
Ties will be broken by the number of correct responses to questions 31 through 40. Further ties will be broken by the number of correct responses in the last 5 questions.
Scores will be posted online. Please do not forget your ID number. It will be the only means of identification after the test.
This year, we're excited to offer a second round for the top scorers on the JHMMC. This round will be held in the winter or spring and there will be prizes. Qualified competitors will be notified of their qualification within 3 weeks.
For the first round, we would like to commend contestants with 3 tiers of certificates. The gold certificate will be awarded to students who finished in the top 10. The silver will be awarded for students in the top 25%, and the bronze for students in the top 45%.
There will also be special certificates for the top 5 girls/students of marginalized gender. To be eligible for this award, please specify your gender in the Google form. In addition, every student will receive a participation certificate for participating today. On behalf of the BCA Math team, we wish you guys the best of luck. We hope that you find this competition both fun and informative.